Today, we're making Dad's Hawaiian BBQ beef. This is absolutely a recipe you're going to want to try, and even though it's not as good as when Dad makes it, we're going to get pretty darn close. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to cut about 3.5 to 4 pounds of beef flank into thin pieces about 3 inches long. Putting the beef in the freezer for about 20 minutes will help cut the beef into thin pieces. For our marinade, we'll crush 6 garlic cloves. We're using Aloha Shoyu today. I highly recommend using the Aloha brand as it has a much sweeter flavor compared with the other salty brands like Kikkoman or Likamki. Measure 2 cups of Aloha Shoyu and then add 1.5 cups of brown sugar. And then half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix this all together, ensuring we dissolve the sugar and starch. Allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. To cook, we'll preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Using bamboo skewers, we'll add individual cuts of beef onto the skewer. Try to space things out for the best caramelization results. We'll put our skewers into the air fryer and allow to cook for 6 minutes before flipping over the skewers. Allow to cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. We'll remove these now cooked skewers and repeat the process for the remaining beef. To remove the meat, we can simply slide it off. Right off the skewer, this teriyaki beef is juicy, caramelized, and smells delicious. To plate it all together, we'll do 2 scoops of rice served on a bed of lettuce. We'll sprinkle some furikake as a final touch for our recipe, and there you have a family favorite, Dad's Hawaiian BBQ beef. If you have a grill or cast iron, you may also cook this on there. This also goes really well with mac salad, which we'll make in an upcoming video. This meal is really fantastic for lunch or dinner, and will save you money while having you craving more. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and what foods you want to see next.